We are now in Louisiana and it froze. They're not set up for freezing weather here, so everything was frozen. It's a little bit warmer today. The streets have opened. So we're gonna go out and head to the French Quarters. We're really far away from the French Quarter because our truck is big. So we're going to either Uber or figure out the trolleys and get over there. We're gonna do a walking tour later on, but first we're getting our beignets and coffee. Describe it.
So good. Very French.
We did the walking tour. We learned a lot about the French Quarters and the history and all that, the architecture, which was a lot of fun. So now we're gonna go eat dinner.
Thank you.
And that concludes our tour. Let me take off the sticker of the French Quarter. We're gonna catch the trolley back to our car.